Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out from all devices in Outlook, also known as Hotmail. Whether you're worried about privacy, notice some unusual activity, or just want to refresh your account security, signing out everywhere is a quick way to keep your account safe. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Outlook login page. You can type Outlook login or just go through the Microsoft 365 website. From here, click on Sign In and enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're inside your Outlook dashboard, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon. Sometimes it's your picture, other times just your initials. Click it, and in the drop-down, select My Profile. This will take you to your Microsoft account page. From here, find and click on the Security tab. This section is where you'll manage all your sign-ins and account protection settings. Scroll down until you see the option that says Sign Out Everywhere. Clicking this will immediately log you out of all devices where your Outlook or Hotmail account is signed in. That includes laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. When the confirmation box appears, go ahead and confirm. Once you do, you'll be securely signed out everywhere. Super handy if you've used shared or public computers in the past. And that's it. You've now logged out from all devices in Outlook or Hotmail. A really easy but important step to keep your account secure. Remember to check your security settings every so often to stay protected online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.